Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So this is a bonus reading. Alright, so in this read I'm going to do a little different procedure because it will be a little different from my other reads, because over here I'll be looking at the energies which you are going to manifest. Okay, so which you are manifesting towards you, which you are attracting towards you. And I will also be looking at the situations, the energy of those situations around which you are circling. Okay, and then I will see the outcome of whatever situation or any person with whom you are dealing with. So I'll look at what is that, a person or a situation. Alright, so let's start your reading then from a Sagittarius. So this is general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest readings. Alright then, Sagittarius, let's see what are the energies you are going through at your present. All right, so your energies are Four of Wands, Knight of Swords and Justice. All right, so I see you are moving forward towards some kind of celebration. You are eagerly waiting for that, and you might be, there's something going at your home, some kind of reunion, some kind of celebration with family, with friends. So something is there and it is going to, it's coming soon. That is what I am looking towards. It might be your marriage as well, it might be your something as well, in which you are the person who is the main person. Okay, and for some people I also see that they are, the energies which are telling me over here is some kind of decision. So over here it might be a decision which you have taken very suddenly, and might be your marriage, might be someone else marriage, or there was a decision. I think that's more of your energy, because this is you only over here, and you took that decision. It was really fast, and but with Four of Wands, it's all about the good energies which are coming towards you. That is why you are feeling very happy over here. I feel you're the person or the situation with whom you're dealing with, that energy. Page of Pentacles, Strength and Five of Swords. All right, so over here I feel that there is something, it took time, because it was not, because might be a person with whom you were dealing with was so much of a very independent kind of a person, so he or she was not able to take a decision, and it took a lot of time. Might be this relationship took many years for you, and now it is time to just celebrate this moment with each other. And the situation or the energy, whatever situation is this, it has a lot of good energy. This is a good energy, because I don't feel, with the Five of Swords, I don't feel that bad people are surrounding. This negative energy which is coming towards is not about the person with whom you are dealing, it's around those people who do not want these things to happen. So this is that energy. Okay, but the person or the situation which is around you, with whom you are directly connecting, so that is something very good energy. That person even give you a lot of strength. So this energy is ready, is coming towards you, and is ready to give you a lot of happiness and a lot of strength, confidence. Okay, so the outcome of the situation is Nine of Pentacles, the High Priestess and the Empress. Wow. So this is a place, this energy is even telling me one thing, that the person with whom you are connecting, or the situation in which you are entering, so this thing is going to make you very much independent, and you are going to get a lot of confidence, build a lot of maturity after connecting with this new person or this situation in which you are entering. So this is something which is making you, your personal growth is very much strengthening over here. But I will clarify the cards as well. All right. Let's clarify justice in your past energy. Sorry, in your energy. You know, all these videos make me so. I have a ringtone basically continuously going on. Your past energy, past energy. So your energy. Okay. So 8 of Cups, King of Cups, and Page of Wands. So this justice is clarified with these cards. So over here, which I feel is there was something, might be this person was a past person who actually just left you, or you might have left him or her, and but the love was not lost. So this person is back, and with this person only you have now decided that after such a long time of wait you have come back, and now I will not waste a little time even. I'm just going to take an action really soon because you are really very much connected. Might be a Libra or a Scorpio with whom you are connecting with, or both the things in a same chart. So this is something which is very, you have waited for this from a long time, and now this person or whichever situation you are dealing with now, it's in front of you, so you are not ready to waste a single time now. Okay, so let's see what the Page of Pentacles, let's clarify. Alright, Ace of Swords, 9 of Cups, and Knight of Wands. Yeah, there's something which is cleared. So it took a lot of time while coming, because this person, I see that the situation was this situation actually had to come at the particular time. So if this thing is coming towards you, the energy which you are surrounded with has come at the perfect timing. You might have waited for this from a long time, but it was not the perfect timing, so it is coming towards you. And this time this energy is so much passionate, it's so much with a lot of passion. Whatever I will do, it's a yes situation basically. So all the things are cleared in front of you. Whatever you are going to experience, whatever, this will be a new experience from all your past energies. So now the perfect timing is here, and now you're ready to set go. Okay, let's clarify this 5 of Swords. But who is this bad energy? What kind of energy is this? Okay, 7 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and 4 of Cups. So might be your business which is taking a lot of time because you have just started it. So this is something related to that, and there are new things coming towards you, but you are not accepting those things. See, 4 of Cups. So I really feel that this is something where you are investing. You are new in this business, you are new in this situation, and you have put a lot of time and effort, and might be a lot of money as well you have invested in this. But there are some things you have to understand. By the time you keep on growing, so you have to take all the knowledge. So whatever good businessmen who are very professional in their work, so whatever they are doing, so you have to take some. If someone is offering you a help, if someone is offering you some kind of knowledge, so I think you should take it, you should not reject it. So that is why actually you are taking, this is something which is not the people who are surrounding around you who are negative. This is you, I really feel that, who is taking things negatively. Might be this thing, one more feeling which I am getting is that might be in whichever situation you are getting involved. So over there are some people who are offering you, who are telling you some kind of truth, some kind of information they are telling you, and but you are not ready to listen, and you are thinking that those people are wrong, whatever they are talking about me, whatever they are talking about my person, so they are wrong. So that is why this is, I feel that you are, for some people, and this is more of a self-sabotage situation, I feel that, where you are just feeling those people are bad, but actually they are just offering you some suggestions, they are not actually so bad. Okay, so let's see the outcome, and let's clarify the High Priestess. Knight of Swords, Judgment, and the Moon. Okay, so I really feel that some things are coming to the surface in the outcome. Whatever the situation you are dealing with, there are more things which has to, you have to listen. If someone is, because there is someone who is continuously telling you something, so if you can go to the detailing part, so you can see whatever this thing is, because the outcome which I feel is somewhere you are feeling that energy that something is wrong somewhere. So if you are feeling that and someone is trying to help you as well, so just go deep towards it and start investigating towards the situation, whatever the situation is, might be anything, okay, anything, whatever you are surrounded with. So there is some kind of information which is coming towards you, the angels are looking towards you, they are helping you, they are trying to help you, guide you, and it's coming again and again, might be in your dreams as well, but they are coming like swords very fast, and you are also getting some kind of intuition, I really feel that. So if you are getting, so just listen to it. Okay, let's see the Empress. Okay, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and Death. So over here I feel that there might be a mother involved in something from your family, might be your mother who is telling you something, or there's some kind of ending in a family, not physically, it's more of a monetary basis. You know, there might be some kind of I feel that separation of because over Justice which has come over here, you might be dealing with some property issues with your family, so two brothers or something like that, and you are having some kind of talking between that, who will get which part and all that. So I really feel that if your mother is involved in this, try to talk to your mother over here, because she might guide you a lot, and whatever issues are there, it might, they're ending over here. So that's all, that's what I feel. And whatever thing is coming to us, but I really feel that you are getting the major amount with the Nine of Pentacles. You are coming to the surface more beautifully. Okay, so whatever the part you are getting, it will be little higher from the other person. That is what I feel over here. Okay, so let's clarify 3 more cards. Let's see what the universe is telling you, in which situation you should think, whatever your mindset is. Let's see that. Six of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Nine of Cups. Okay, so the universe is telling you, see, with the Six of Pentacles, it's, I really feel that there is some kind of an issue with the property. So the universe is telling you that if for any chance, if you get a little less amount as well, so try to, if you are not able to settle in this decision, if that is what you are not able to decide what to do with regards with money, or with regards with any situation, so the universe is telling you, be a little gentle in this situation. If you have to offer, let's say you have to decide 100 rupees. So who will get how much rupees? Like 3 people are there, you have to divide 100 rupees. So how will you divide? 33, 33, 33. So 1 rupee. Now who will take that money? So the universe is telling you, if somewhere you feel that you can give that money, you can donate it, you can just be gentle towards it. Okay, so do not be greedy in that situation. Just let it go, because I have a little more good things for you. So with the Ace of Cups, there are more new situations, more new energies coming towards you, and whatever you have wished for, it will come true. So that is what the universe is telling you. Okay, so whatever this is, do not be greedy, just be gentle and just let that money go, because if you will let that money go, it will come back to you 10 times more. Okay, so that's all from my side, Sagittarius. If you really like this reading, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.